How to watch live football on YouTube TV be on Firestick. Step number 1, install the YouTube TV app on your Firestick. Go to the Firestick home screen and navigate to the search bar at the top. Type YouTube TV into the search field and select the YouTube TV app from the search results. Click Get or Download to install the app on your Firestick. Step number 2, sign in to YouTube TV. Once the app is installed, open it from the Your Apps and Channels section. Sign in with your YouTube TV account credentials. If you don't have a YouTube TV account, you can sign up directly from the app. Step number 3, find a live football game. After signing in, use the search feature or navigate to the live section. Look for the live football game you want to watch. You can find it by searching the team name or the league. Click on the game to start streaming. Step number 4, adjust video quality. This is optional. If you experience buffering or slow loading, you can adjust the video quality settings to optimize the stream. Go to the settings menu within the YouTube app to adjust the video quality depending on your internet speed. Step number 5, stream on Firestick. Enjoy the live football game on your Firestick connected TV. You can pause, play, or skip through the stream using your Firestick remote. You can also switch between different games by navigating through the YouTube TV app on the Firestick. Step number 6, use voice commands with Alexa. This is optional. If you have an Alexa enabled device, you can use voice commands to control the stream. For example, say, Alexa, open YouTube TV, or Alexa, play team football on YouTube TV to start watching.